Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the decorative fish school and then take photo of its class in Heartopia in this Call of Wheels event. So in this event, you can unlock a beautiful underwater area where you will eventually be able to build your own Seamount home. But first you need to rise your explorations level to level 5 like this, and once you do, you will receive this management console while will appear in front of your house, this one. And then after that, just go teleport to your Seamount area by tap on the helicopter icon. And then after that, Oliver will give you a tutorial quest about your new Seamount, and one of these quests is this edit the decorative fish school. And to complete it, just simply tap the fish icon and then just tap on the ornamental fish school, this one. And then after that, in here you can just customize the fish that can swim around your seamount. You can add up to 15 regular fish and 3 special fish on here. So just pick your favorites and save the changes. And then after that, the quest will be complete. And then the next quest is take a photo of your edited decorative fish school. So just find the fish that you edit swimming around your seamount. Just walk close to the fish that you edit, like this. And then after that, just simply open your camera and then just take a photo of it. Like this. And just like that, your quest will be complete. And then the next quest, you just need to leave the Seamount home and then just tell the Oliver about the fish soul situations. Let's just leave the Seamount home. And then just go back to Oliver, like this. And then after that, just tap on Seamount. And then after that, just go back to Atara. And just like that, you will successfully complete the quest and you will get the Dreamy Jellyfish Coffee Umbrella as a reward like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!